In round 14, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 3 single crochets, 1 decrease for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. After 1 chain stitch, we work 3 single crochets. Also mark the first stitch. Continue to work 2 more single crochets. Then work 1 decrease. Insert hook through the front loops of next 2 stitches. Hook the yarn and pull through 2 front loops. Yarn hook, pull through both loops and hook. 1 set is done. Keep working 5 more sets. We work 3 single crochets and 1 decrease as 1 set. We have demonstrated 3 sets. Please finish the rest 3 sets by yourself. Remember to work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. In round 14, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 1 decrease 2 single crochets for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. 1 chain stitch first. The first set, 1 decrease. Insert hook through the front loops of next 2 adjacent stitches. Hook the yarn and pull through 2 front loops. Then yarn hook, pull the yarn through both loops and hook. Mark the first stitch. Then work 2 single crochets. One decrease and 2 single crochets are finished. 1 set is done. The second set, work 1 decrease. Then 2 single crochets. We have demonstrated the 2 sets. Please finish the rest 4 sets by yourself. Work 1 decrease and 2 single crochets as 1 set. Six sets are done. Remove the marker. And work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Okay. In round 16, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 1 single crochet, 1 decrease for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. After one chain stitch, work one single crochet. Also mark the first stitch. Next, on decrease, insert hook through the front loops of next to adjacent stitches. Hook the yarn and pull through to front loops. Yarn and hook, pull through both loops on the hook. One set is done. The second set, one single crochet. One decrease. We have demonstrated 2 sets. Please finish the rest 4 sets by yourself. Work one single crochet and one decrease as one set. Six sets are done. Finally, work one snip stitch in the first stitch. Round 16 is done. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Stuff the fabric with fiberfill. Okay. Try to stuff the fabric as full as possible. We'll continue to crochet. Wrap the yarn around your fingers again. Okay. In round 17, start with one chain stitch. Then work 6 decreases. Finally, end with one slip stitch. Insert hook through the front loops of next to adjacent stitches. Hook the yarn and pull through to front loops. Yarn and hook, pull through both loops on the hook. Finish 6 decreases in total. Also mark the first stitch. Let's continue. Finally, one snip stitch. Okay. Fasten off and leave a long end for sewing. Break yarn. Pull the yarn tail out. Use a yarn needle to sew hole closed. Such a V shape stands for one stitch. We sew hole closed by stitching through the front loops of the last round. Pull the yarn tail to close the hole. Then conceal the yarn tail inside the fabric like this. Finally, cut off excess yarn tail. Okay. The main body is completed. Crochet the other 3 main bodies in the same way with the corresponding yarns. The other 3 main bodies are completed. We don't need to insert the safety eyes for them.